In a drop top ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the vibe, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your. Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yeah.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video I have another half wig. It is a highlight. It's an ombre brown half wig from Curlyme KlNKY. They sent me their 22-inch and it is their kinky curly texture, and as you can see it is absolutely stunning. I do not have any product in this hair, so if you want your curls super defined then you can just use a mousse or a curling smoothie gel and then you can achieve that. But this is how the hair looks freshly washed. It is absolutely so beautiful. It's so fluffy, it's so big, it's not heavy on your head, and I really like that. It's like lightweight, but this whole process of installing it, it's just super like easy, it's manageable, it's definitely beginner friendly. You really don't have to have much experience with putting on wigs when you have these half wigs, because you just simply do your hair in the front, and the easiest way is to just do a simple twist out or braid pattern in the front, and then you just hook it to the half, and then like you literally don't have to do much. If you decide to have your leave out, you can do a twist out or a braid out, which means like you just at night twist or braid your hair and then you take it out and then have it blend in the front. And that's what I did in the beginning when I started wearing half wigs. That's all I did. But now like I definitely do these because it definitely saves me about 2 minutes, because the whole process either way is very, very quick. But this way I literally don't have to do anything. And it looks just super good, super natural, and it's no headache. The hair is actually very, very, very soft. I think this is one of the softest kinky curly textures I've ever tried, which I can appreciate that. It's like super soft, very lightweight. I just love the look of the half wigs, because I'm just like into whatever looks the most natural, and 9 times out of 10 when your hair is left out in the front, that's when it looks the most natural. So I am totally into these half wigs, and I said that already in other videos. I love half wigs down, okay? I love them. Okay, so like I mentioned, it does have a drawstring, so all you have to do is tighten it, and then it has a little, I don't know, a clasp, I guess you would say. Let me show you guys. It has a clasp. This little thing right here is what holds it to the tightness level you want it. So you pull it up, you tighten it like this, and you pull the clasp, and it literally holds it in. And then that is it. Like I probably tightened that a little bit too tight. But so that's how you get it to be super snug on your head. Yeah, this is how this is looking. Like I said, it's from Curlyme KlNKY. Everything's going to be down in the description box, so make sure you check there. And yeah, that's really all I have to say about this wig. It's very cute, right? So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Bye.
In a drop top ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the vibe, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We ain't had shit yet, it was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a whore when you're not here, not a home when you're not here.